Hey, what's going on, everyone? It is Paul, the 920 Trader with 920 Trading and Trading Decoded. Today is Tuesday. It is the 6th of August, 2024, and this is how we're trading SPY right now, folks. So when I look over, it's because I'm looking at my chart on the other screen, folks, a live chart on the other screen, because we got that 527.61 to the upside. But before we get going, folks, if you like our videos, please go ahead and give us a like and a subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you can be notified when we drop new content, which is just about every day and sometimes on the weekends. Also, leave us a comment. Those are greatly appreciated. And share with your friends, neighbors, family, and trading community. So let's get to the chart, folks. 525.53 pre-market high. I got 517.36 pre-market low, folks. We got $8 worth of pre-market action. I mean, can you imagine? I mean, you run up $8 during the day. It's kind of like yesterday we had, 15. I mean, it was crazy day yesterday. So, I was looking at the Japan index late last night in a big time recovery. So a really nice recovery. But at any rate, here's our pre-market high, 525.53, and pre-market low, 517.36. This level 523.58, this is going to be a 30-minute zone. I think it's left over from yesterday. So let's get going, folks. Let's see what this thing is all about today. Back to the downside. I didn't take anything back to the downside. I didn't really trust anything. Quite frankly, I was looking for pre-market low, and I was going to take this reversal off of this pre-market low and then ride it up to pre-market high for an $8 gain. Which I don't care if you trade an SPX or trading SPY or whatever, you get $8 worth of movement in the market. That is a banger and a half, folks. That is a big play. It didn't get down to that pre-market low again. That would have been really nice to be able to capture that, but again, it didn't do it. So again, consequently, I missed this at least the initial move. But I caught it here. We tested this 9 in here, and I said, okay, if we test this 9 in here, then I'll take this thing back to the upside. And I did. I thought we were going to go up to this pre-market high, but it didn't take out that pre-market high, at least not on this run. But again, this was a really nice run. We had some of the people in the group that took fishtail plays and, caught above the POC and the VWAP. It was essentially almost a golden cross over a couple of candles that happened early in the trading day. But again, caught this off the 9, and we're finally taking out that 528.65, folks. Getting pretty close up here. And again, I'm just looking at my other screen, folks. There it is. That's pretty close to that level. All right, so next play back to the upside. Didn't take anything, obviously, back to the downside. Thought we were going to be able to push through and get up to this 527.61. This was the close on Friday. So essentially what we are doing right now, folks, or I'm sorry, that was the low on Friday. We are buying back up everything that we lost over the last, couple of days, ever since pre-market yesterday. Where everything was on sale, folks. And we get down to these low levels and everything is on sale. That's kind of how I'm looking at it. I want to get back to what we're doing right now, folks, because you can see these plays in here, it's rally base. And there we go. We just got our 528.65. That was the level that I'd been looking for all day, folks. So these plays, they're very straightforward. Every single play today that you see on these charts are very straightforward. All of these plays have come out of seemingly major levels all day, folks. You can look back at this first play right out of this major level. Now, I need to talk to the group. So, folks, those of you still in calls, if we get a close above that 528.65, then we got a lot more room up to 532.97. That's the gap. We got a gap sitting there at 532.97. Is it possible? Yes. Is it probable? I have no earthly idea. I don't know. Well, let's look and see on the 30-minute chart and see kind of from a volume standpoint what we are looking like. And I need to change this here. I need to change this to 100 periods and see exactly what we have. Again, volume. Yeah, look at it as volume. Again, I'm looking at the 30-minute chart. You got the POC sitting way up here at about 544. 544 today, probably not. But again, we've got a gap sitting at 532.97. Can it do it? Yeah, I think it probably can. Will it? Have no earthly idea. But anyway, back to the chart, folks. So you can see all of these levels today. Every single one of these plays. Let's talk about that first play. So that first play right out of this major level. And again, I always use the POC as a major level because it is. So you can use the POC as a major level. You can use pre-market low. You can use 30-minute zones. All of those are major levels. So major level here, and then we got this major level play back to the upside in here on this fresh cross to the upside. Again, a major level here. Now this next play back to the upside right around 1236 to 1240. This was not a major level. I put this line on my chart, 525.53. It started off as a 3-minute double bottom, and I was able to change that to a 5-minute double bottom because, again, folks, remember, the higher the time frame, the stronger the level. And you can see price action right now in real time struggling to maintain that level up there. Again, 528.65. We're going to look at that on the 30-minute chart. Here it is again, folks. So you got that low. You got that low on Friday, and you got that gap still sitting at there at 532.97. It wouldn't surprise me one bit, folks. Now, if we keep on running, we're going to probably have a slowdown at 529.60 and a bigger slowdown at about 530.55. So we are literally dealing with $1 increments today, just like we were yesterday. And so it's not beyond the realm of possibilities. Continue pushing up today and overcome those losses that we had in the market yesterday. So these are the things that I look at every single day, folks. Number one, you will be a better trader. You will absolutely be a better trader if you take your plays out of major levels. So yes, you're looking for the cross, but you're also looking to take those plays out of major levels. If you do that, the closer you are to a major level, the easier it is to predefine that risk. And job number one, you must predefine your risk before you ever put on a play. If you don't do that, you're just looking to give money away to the market or let things run way past where they should from a stop standpoint. You should always know where you're going to stop, where or if and when that trade goes against you. But again, we're still struggling to get past that 528.65. But again, you can see all of these major levels in here. Major level here, pre-market high, which is obviously a major level. And again, kiss this a couple of different times, then double cross to the upside in here. Major level in here through slop, folks. This was slop. And it took a cross, and it took the third cross to the upside off of this major level to get enough oomph to push through these levels and get past kind of this nipple over here at 527.61 to push to the upside. But again, these are really, really good, strong plays all day today. We had good plays yesterday, but implied volatility was really, really super high. Now, volatility today, let me see what it is right now. Volatility today is 24.42. Earlier today, it got as high as, I think, around 35, 36, somewhere right around in there. Maybe a little bit lower than that, but at any rate, it's been coming down through the day. Now, we talk about volatility regularly. When your volatility starts going down, the price of your contracts necessarily follows that to the downside. Consequently, when volatility goes up, the price of your contracts necessarily goes up also. That's why when you see a really, really big candle like we had over here at 1252, volatility will follow that price action. So you get a big candle like this. I think this was about $1 candle, 53 to 43, about a 90-cent candle in here. When you get something like that combined with this volume, volatility goes up. So if you're in that play right there and you can catch one of those big $1 candles or 80 or 90-cent candle, you can catch the increase in volatility at the same time on that candle. So go ahead and close out the trade unless it just keeps on running. If it punches through a level, always trust your levels, trust your higher time frames. But you want to catch those high volatility plays. But we're still trading today, folks. We're absolutely still trading. We've got hour and a half left to go in the trading day. Again, you can see it right down here, almost at about 2:30 in the afternoon. So we are into the power hour eve at this point. Overall, if you had to just grade today, today's an A+ day with A+ setups all throughout the day. Now, were there some time periods, right in here that you might have gotten chopped up a little bit? Absolutely. But you can't have, so let's say you have, 6 or 7 plays throughout the day. If 5 of those are A+ setups or really, really worked well, we'll take that all day long, folks. We'll take that all day long. But That's how we did it today, folks. And again, we're still trading right now, but that's how she's playing out today. If we continue to get strong closes up here, folks, I'm still looking for 532.97. Don't know if we'll do that. I might do a short update video tonight if we are able to do that. But again, that's how she played out today, and she's still playing out right now, folks. So again, if you like our videos, please go ahead and give us a like and a subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you can be notified when we drop new content, which is just about every day and sometimes on the weekend. Now, and again, still going up, folks, still going up. And again, we're on volume candles, so the wider the candle, the higher the volume. And again, we found a good home. So remember, folks, it's rally base, rally base, rally base. That's why we like this 920 crossover strategy. Also, please leave us a comment. We greatly appreciate the comments. And tell your friends, your neighbors, your trading companions, everybody else, folks. Tell them all about us. Share our stuff. Now, if you are interested in the 920 crossover strategy, and again, we're trading live right now, folks. We got a whole bunch of people in this group right now. And this is what we do every single day. We talk about every single one of these trades. So I'm telling my folks right now, okay, so watch this level. You don't want to breach this level. You want to maintain 528.65 to the upside. And by maintaining that, and again, we're trying to come down through that 9 right now, wait for your closes. If we pull back, expect to pull back to 528.29. So again, let's see how close we can get to that pullback. Again, I'm just using volume profile for the pullback. Again, 528, 28, 29. But again, at least for right now, we're still safe in this play back to the upside. Now, again, we can use that level as a target or use that as support once we get above that, wait for the 9 to catch back up. So again, we got that close right there. So this thing could go either way. Again, looking at the 30-minute up here, I'm still looking for 529.63. See if we can get that 63 up there. We got close. How close? Well, we're still a ways away. 529.63 up there. But anyway, head on over to our live trading Discord, folks. It's called Trading Decoded, and we go through these trades every single day, folks. Every single day. I don't care if the setups are good or the setups are bad. We are talking about these trades all day long from the time market opens until market closes every single day, folks. So again, we're going to give you that first week for free. So if you like it, great. If you don't like it, hey, we understand that as well. Now, if you're interested in the 920 crossover strategy, head on over to 920trading.com. Again, the link for that is down below. So go check it out, folks. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on some super secret trading strategy. It's neither super nor secret, folks. Everything that's out that has been out there, or everything that's out there right now, it's been out there for a long time. There's nothing new. Nobody's coming out with anything new. Now, there may be some nuances, just like I have nuances with the 920 strategy. But there's nothing new, folks. Trust me, there's absolutely nothing new. But anyway, that's how she is playing out right now. Again, still watching. See if we can go get that gap. And again, that gap is way up there, folks. But that's how we did it today. That's how we're doing it today. So thank you for spending a little bit of your most precious time, again, which is that there's nothing more precious out there than time, folks. So thank you for spending some time with us today. We greatly appreciate you very much. So we're going to do this again tomorrow. And again, let's see if we can get up to that gap up there. Be kind of cool to get the gap. But again, thanks for spending some time with us today. We appreciate you all very much. We're going to do it again tomorrow, folks. And until then, we will see you in the markets.